Now next program in 5.4 is a stepper motor interfacing. This is a problem statement. Interface stepper motor to the Arduino board on pins. They have mentioned the pins: pin number 8, pin number 9, pin number 10 and pin number 11, and write a C language program to rotate the stepper motor in the clockwise direction. Use ULN 2003. So this is the problem statement. So how to proceed for this kind of the program? We have to draw interfacing diagram. So if this is Arduino Uno board and it is connected to this driver ULN. So this is ULN driver. You can draw ULN driver like this, ULN 2003. Here you can show pull-up resistor. So that circuit becomes more accurate. These are pull-up resistors and their value is 4.7 kilo ohm. 4.7 kilo ohm. So how to interface this particular stepper motor? So these two windings, this is pin number 8, this is pin number 9, pin number 10 and pin number 11. These are the pin numbers for controlling this particular stepper motor. For example, this is our stepper motor and pin number 8 and 9 is connected to one winding and pin number 10 and 11 is connected to the another winding. So this is our stepper motor. So it is expected that you have to draw such kind of the interfacing diagram and then develop logic to rotate that particular motor. So initially, if 8 is high and 9, 10 and 11 are low, then it turn on. And when this moves, this high moves to the 9th and low moves to the in this way, and this moves over here low. Means in a second time, if 9 is high and rest are low, in that case it starts rotating by one step. If this is shifted to the right, this is shifted here, this is shifted over here. So when 10 is high and rest are low, again it rotate for one step in a clockwise direction. And if only 11 is high and rest are low, means it again rotate in a clockwise direction. So we have to perform this operation for the infinite time. Okay. So this is the logic development. As per programming is concerned, you can write down void setup. Into the void setup, you can define the pin mode of pin number 8 to the output. Similarly, pin number 9 to the output. Similarly, pin number 10 to the output. Pin number 11 output. So this is about void setup. In a void setup, we configured our pin number 8, 9, 10 and 11 as an output pins. In void loop, for the infinite time, we are going to perform the operation of digital write, which pin? Pin number 8 to high, and rest of the pins to low. Digital write on 9 low, digital write on pin number 10 low, digital write on pin number 11 to low. So this is one logic that now it is energized. Now after some time of a delay of suppose 50 milliseconds of the delay, we copy this content as it is, digital write 8 to low and 9 to high, 10 and 11 to low, and again make the delay of 50 milliseconds and again copy and paste and make only 10 high and rest are low. Again call delay and then copy all the 4 lines and make only 11 high and rest are low. So here you can see that only program is of hardly 4 lines and 4 lines. 8 lines program is there, but these 4 lines get copied 3 times. One, this is for first time, then 1, 2 and 3. So 16 lines for rotation and 4 lines for initialization. So this way you can write down program, you can develop the logic likewise, and you can write down a program. So this is about our stepper motor interfacing. Now next program in this session is related. So here I have write it down. See, the same lines are over here. Digital write. This is high. In the next phase, this is high. Second one is high. This phase, third one is high. And next phase, last one is high. So it makes in a clockwise direction for the infinite time. Second program of this session, interface 7 segment LED. So this is the 7 segment, 1 segment, 2 segment, 3 segment, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th segment. 7 segment LED is interfaced to the Arduino board, on which pins it has been mentioned on 8 pin. 8th pin, this 8th pin is connected over here, 7th pin is connected over here, 6th pin is connected, 5th pin is connected over here, 4th pin is connected, 3rd pin is connected and 2nd pin is connected over here. So this way. If this is the scenario, then it has been mentioned that write down a program to display in between 0 to 9. So how to proceed? 8-1 is connected over there. So for example, this is our 7 segment LED. So 8-1, 7th, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So if you write it down like this, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So when we would like to display 0, in that case this should be off, 2 should be off, this should be off, so that it looks like this, 0. 2 should be off. 2 should be off means this is off and rest are 1. Rest are 1. If you would like to display 1, then only 7 and 6 should energize. 7 and 6 is going to be energized and rest should be in a off condition. When we would like to display 2, means we would like to display 2, in that case 8, 7, 2, 4 and 5. 8, 7, 2, 4 and 5. These are on and rest are off in this case. So this way you have to write down the table. For example, now 9. We have to print the 9. So 9 looks like this. This is 9. Only 4 is off in this case. So 4 is off means this pin is off and rest of the pin are on. So this way you have to prepare one table. And then you can put that table as a array in digits. This is for 0, this is for 1, this is for 2, this is for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is for 9. This is a binary. That's why it is mentioned 0B, and this is a binary code. So this way. And these are the segment pins, 8 number, 7 number to 2nd number. So this way you can write it down. In a setup we initialize all the pins, 8 number, 7 number, 6 number, 5 number, 4, 3, 2 to the output. And here we use some advanced programming that in a for loop in between 0 to 6 we set the pins as an output. And in a loop for display of the 0 to 9, for display of 0 to 9, and for these 6 pins, we are digitally writing down the segment of the pins, means this. When the value of I is equal to 0, so it means it is a 8th one, this bit, and here digits n should be greater than or equal to 6 minus I, means here we are trying to print the value 6, which is having index for value 0. So here when the value of I is equal to 0, it is going to print the value 0. When the value of I is equal to 1, it is going to print the value 1. When the value of I is equal to 2, it is going to print the value 2 likewise. So this way up to 0 to 9 display. So this is a program as per this logic development is concerned and that interfacing is concerned. The circuit interfacing carries 2 marks weightage. As per this programming is concerned, it carries 4 marks of the weightage. So this is about the light emitting diode, 7 segment light emitting diode programming. So in this session we stop over here. We have seen the stepper motor interfacing, and then we have seen 7 segment LED interfacing. All these programs I am going to put on my blog so that you can copy the textual file directly. You can copy that file, you can use that file in your Arduino's programming environment. It is ready to run. You can directly run. It don't have any errors. So you can directly copy all these programs and you can use them. So only now 2 or 3 programs are remaining. I am going to put it on my blog so that you can download those programs specifically for ultrasonic interfacing, LM35 temperature interfacing. So those comes under the 5.5. So I am going to put it in on my blog. You just copy them and you can use them. Thank you.